Hello and welcome to Saturday's Sports Special, and I am Jermaine Brown. First up, cricket. The West Indies are 7 wickets away from taking a 1-0 series lead in their 3-match test series against Sri Lanka. This at the Queen's Park Oval in Trinidad. The Sri Lankans, having been set 453 runs to win, well, they got to 176 for 3 in their second innings. That stumps on day 4. And they require further 277 runs for victory. Kushal Mendes, 94 not out, was 94 not out at the close for the Sri Lankans. Angelo Matthews made 31. Captain Jason Holder, Shannon Gabriel and Devendra Bishu have taken a wicket each so far. Earlier, the West Indies posted 223 for 7 declared in their second innings after zooming on 131 for 4. And they were led by Kieran Powell, who carried on to 88 from his overnight 64. Holder also made 39 while Bishu was 11 not out on 16 and Roach on 11 on unbeaten 11. Lahiro Kumara took 3 for 40 and Rangana Herath 2 for 52.